In this guide, I'll show you how to restore game save data on PS4. All you need is an internet connection and a PlayStation Plus subscription. So, the first thing you want to do is go to Settings, and then you want to scroll down and you want to go to Application Save Data Management. Now, in this example, I deleted my God of War save file on my system storage, and I'll show you right now just to prove it that we do not have it on the console. Now, if I go back and go to save data in online storage, if I go to download to system storage, my save file should be here with one exception. So first, let me select this save file and I'm going to check mark it and I'm going to go to download. And now I'm going to have my save file that I'd lost previously. Now, if we go back from this page here, once this is finished, I'll be able to show you that by default, auto upload is going to be turned on when you first get PlayStation Plus. So all of your save files should be uploaded to the cloud unless you manually disabled this feature here. So another way you can restore your game save data, if we go back to the home menu, is if you select your game and press the start button on your controller, you can go to upload/download save data. And from here, you should see your save file on cloud storage. And then you want to either download all or select and download. And then what that's going to do is bring you here where you want to check mark the save file and go to download like we did previously. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.